Hey friends, Sarah here from Strong with Sarah. If you're somebody who is trying to lose weight and become healthier, and if you're feeling stuck, you might be making this one common mistake, and it's probably not what you think it is. The biggest mistake that I see people make when it comes to weight loss, and it's not your fault, it's the fault of so many diets and programs out there, is trying to eat perfectly instead of focusing on consistency. So, if you're somebody who starts out strong and you eat super clean, but then one off meal makes you feel like you failed, and all of a sudden that screw it mentality kicks in, and you end up tumbling down a path of self-sabotage and self-destruction, and before you know it, you spun your wheels and haven't made any progress on your weight loss goals. You know exactly what I am talking about. And if you're someone who struggles with this, I really challenge you to focus on making progress instead of being perfect. So instead of, again, trying to eat perfectly, aim to make better choices most of the time. Try to focus on eating 80% of your meals around a source of lean protein and fruits and vegetables. And then 20% of your meals, enjoy your favorite, more indulgent foods like the burgers, pasta, pizza, chocolate, wine, etc. Another idea is that you can pre-plan out one healthy meal for each day of the week. So know what your healthy breakfast is going to be, or your lunch, or your dinner. So I want you to try it this week. Try either of those two tips, the 80-20 rule or pre-planning one meal. And let me know in the comments how it goes and which you're trying. And as always, like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and we will chat soon.